Good morning, students of class 6. Today we will take the poem Vocation. In the previous videos, we have discussed the summary and line to line explanation. Today we will take short answer type questions. Good morning. Your partner and you may now be able to answer these questions. Question number 1. Who is the speaker in the poem? Yes, a school going child speaks in the poem. Who are the people the speaker meets? The speaker meets a hawker, a gardener, and a watchman. The hawker sells bangles, the gardener digs the ground, the watchman keeps a watch in the street at night. Question number 2. What wishes does the child in the poem make? Why does the child want to be a hawker, a gardener, or a watchman? The child in the poem wants to be a hawker, a gardener, and a watchman. When he looks at the hawker, he wishes he could also spend his day on the road crying bangles, crystal bangles. He feels that there is nothing to hurry the hawker on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no fixed time when he must come home. These are the things that he cannot do himself, and therefore he wants to be a hawker so that he could do all these things. Next, he wishes he was a gardener because a gardener does what he likes with his spade. He is free to go anywhere. When he is put to bed and is not allowed to roam outside, he sees the watchman swinging his lantern with his shadow at his side, and he feels that the watchman is never ever once has to go to bed in his entire life. So, student, he wants to be a hawker, a gardener, and a watchman so that he could do all the things they need as he could not do them being a child. Next question. From the way the child envies means jealous, the hawker, the gardener, the watchman, we can guess that there are many things the child has to do or must not do. Make a list of the do's and don'ts that the child doesn't like. The child must come home at a fixed time, go to bed when it's dark, go to school every day, and next is, and you can also add some other points, so do it yourself. The child must not get his clothes dirty in the dust. The child must not get his clothes dirty in the dust, get baked in the sun, or get wet, walk on dark and lonely street at night. So thank you, students.